All right, so I'm gonna put color in now. And I actually don't have to like chop in too much to my cut, which is nice. I'll probably do like a little bit tomorrow. I'm gonna do the color tonight, take a shower, stop doing all of this, and in the morning I'll style it and I'll do like a after photo. But to show you what I'm using, this is what I've been using on my hair for this pink for a while. You see that? I like the color depositing shampoos and conditioners. There's also, I like this company a lot too, conditioner. I don't know if you can, whoop. So this one I actually have not used in a while. It is technically for brunettes. So it's supposed to be rose gold for brunettes, and it is orange. So what I wanted to do for this, this time, because I had to get bored, I love pink. Pink feels like it grows out of my head. Like I've done a lot of colors, but pink has always been the one that just feels like it's my actual hair color. But I want to play with it a little bit. So I was going to layer in some of this rose gold, orange, whatever in there and see how it goes. So I'm pretty fast and loose with how I put this on, and just let it kind of blend from there. Cause like I'll use the conditioners and color depositing things in the shower in general, just to like keep it fresh in between doing my roots. I really hate using gloves. So I use Albaline. My grandmother who passed, she like told me to get this. She was like, put it all over your face and neck and everything. It keeps you young and all. And she was so beautiful. And I actually use other things for that, but I do use Albaline to like keep any of the color off of my skin for the most part. So I mean, this is, if you thought this is a cute look, I mean, you guys know, you guys all get your hair done, you know how cute this can get. So I do that, and then I actually, because I don't use gloves, I also do my hands. I actually want to paint my nails tomorrow, so they'll probably get a pink tinge already, but sometimes when I do this, I'll get like whatever color I have on gets like a fun extra hue of color from the pink dye. So I'm gonna put that on too, so it helps it not stick to my skin as much and be a little bit easier to get off. But I just like using my hands. I just want to like be able to touch what I'm doing. All right, admittedly I did put a little bit too much on just now. Whoop, things are sliding. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so greasy. Oh, cute. So I'm gonna attempt to section this out in a couple sections. So I'll do the pink root area. I'll keep that one section up here. And I'm gonna do that orange just right underneath, and I'll do pink underneath that. So hopefully that'll make like a nice little layer. I mean, that's just so, well, looks a lot more fun in this mirror than it does on the camera, but I'm gonna need to wipe my face off, I think. Okay, it's a little better. And then I'm gonna take this, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take like this section, just a small section here, and do that with the orangey rose gold color. I don't even know if it's gonna take, honestly. So I'm curious if anyone else does this like how I do it, where you just like kind of do your hair and then do your errands in your home or whatever. Errands in your home? I don't know if that makes sense. Your to-do list. Sometimes I will, like, I normally, just the way it works out with like training and stuff, I normally will, I'll do my roots at night and then wake up in the morning and then put the dye in, take a shower, and then be on my way with the day. That's how I usually do it. But today was a little different because we had a lot of snow, and my schedule, I was able to, well, we're not training tonight, so my day was a little bit longer in terms of the things that I could like get done at home. And this is one of them. This has been my designated hair dyeing shirt, and I've dyed, I mean, this thing has been covered completely in pink, so I love that also these colors, like, they do come out as nice. I find the color depositing shampoo and conditioners to be really, really nice colors, stay pretty well, and also aren't like a total pain to get out, which is really nice if you like coloring your hair a lot, which obviously I do. We'll start with some pink. And I definitely do still use the brush. I just don't use it quite is particularly, I gotta fix this though. Again, I'm pretty fast and loose with all this, if you can tell. Make this hairdo cuter. Okay, it's the bottom. I'm gonna do the next part. Hopefully this orange color, rose gold. I know, baby girl, I'm coming soon. Oh, oops. Guess I should have done that differently. All right, let's hope that this isn't a disaster. We'll start in the middle here just in case. I mean, ultimately, I feel like the colors all blend together usually, so as long as we're in the right ballpark. Ooh. I feel like Bob Ross, but with my hair right now. Just a little happy little pink. But then the red, orange, I don't really know. I got this color not really thinking about basically I bleached my hair and then put this in it, and I just had like red, orangey red hair, which is not, I wish that it was a cool color for me, but it was not my preferred color. It was like not quite pink. So like all over, but I think if I mix it up with the pink, it should work. And also this conditioner smells so good. And there's a bunch of different kinds of the color depositing ones that I've used. I can't remember some of the names. These are the ones I use the most. I do use Arctic Fox sometimes. I've used Manic Panic many times. And I've never used Overtone, but I've heard good things. Okay, last bit. I'm gonna do this color. I always love this color right here, but it's really hard for me to actually get it there because my hair is naturally brown. Isn't that a cool sound? Sometimes there's like nothing more fun than just putting bright ass colors on your head. I love this pink, it's so pretty. Okay, here it is. I think that'll look pretty cool. It's kind of hard to see in this, but yeah, I got a little pink and a little of that like rose goldy red in there. And as you can see, I'm just like all up in my hair. I tend to like do it and then just like really get everything, touch it all. So I already enjoy it. I will style it tomorrow and take a after shot. Thanks for being on my little hair journey with me today, just for fun. People have asked before, so here are the things I use. Yeah, have fun with your hair. Good morning. Okay, here it is. You can't really see. I think I might actually just get orange at some point and then do like orange next time in there. But the like red orange, it's kind of red. But I like it. It's very bright. It'll tone down, which I like. I'll just wash it and it'll get lighter pink as opposed to like a red pink, which I like. I did miss some spots up here, but I'll hit it with this guy when I take a shower later. So thanks for being on my little hair journey. I hope it was fun. I'll maybe do it again when I try the orange and we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I hope it was helpful if you are dyeing your hair at home. Or I don't know, just curious about the process or something, or looking for like a good hair dye. This is the punky color, and conditioner is the other one that I really like a lot. Those are the two that I use most of the time, I think. So for like, you see this is conditioner, but it, you know, it lasts pretty good. So, and it's like really nice on your hair. So if I do the orange, I'll probably do conditioner again, maybe Arctic Fox. But all right, have a beautiful day. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be posting things about the podcast soon. Looks like maybe the third week in February might be when I'm able to release it. I'm not totally sure yet, so don't hold me to that. If I could do it today, I would, but I'm just not ready yet. So, all right, bye.